We're just going to stamp our coupons now. So we have our 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 3 being our root bends, 2 being our face bend for our face cap. Normally this would all get done before you test. There would be your coupon number, so your 1, 2, 3 coupon, your identification number for the welder, and then the position that welder is doing. So we're gonna do our 1, 2, 3 stamp. Then we're just gonna call you welder number 1. And next you have your position number, and we're doing 4 for overhead in this case. There would also normally be another stamp on top of that. If anybody in the comments could tell me what stamp that would be, we'll maybe send you an APR shirt, okay? That's what we'll do.